on the sides with the needles. And I am going to check a little bit. Oh, I feel scratchy right here. You feel it too, Mika? See, the clients would feel it too. And they say, oh, Nancy, is that right there? And then after that, they usually check it, run through their hair and say, oh, Nancy, is this one's the spot still have a little bit scratchy? Can you feel it in? There, the clients even tell me. Besides that, I already really double secure check. And then usually I will double check it before the client's leaving. Because then that's the best way to keep your crystals from catching on the client's hair, their clothes, or anything. And then I would do around the edges of the crystals, and then you squeeze just a little bit. Next time you're using just that much. You don't even need a whole lot. Like a little, go a long way. And so I have to squeeze that in. So I usually check it first before I squeeze anything out because you don't need a whole lot. After you fill them all in, I am going to use my twin tip brush on the liner and blend. Give it a really quick swipe. You can see that the extra right here, right? So you want to make sure you give it a really quick swipe right on the edges. So this will blend nicely. And now clients at Mika's can clear that 60 second. All right. Thank you, Vicky. I'm glad you like it. And then here, I'm going to show you this one. Make sure you close the red cap. This one lasts me a long time. I have several of them. Close the red caps and close this. So then it prevents from clogging and then spilling. And also it's keep that away. And then I'm going to show you the other end is the brush. Like for instance, if you're doing it and you want to decide to get some crystal right here, like 1 or 2 AB, which is maybe Mika's going to do that herself, but I don't know. She might satisfy with this beautiful, or she might go home and put, okay, I'm going to put some crystal AB, well, smaller one. You can just using precision glue brush, and you just give it a little bit dot quick, and then you can place any. We didn't even think, you can do that too. I mean, put it on the butterflies, but you don't have to.
No, you don't.
Not necessary. But if it's so cute, you can put the AB on it. This one, did you hear this one? Yeah? Great. Here's a whole set. Oh, let me